So, hello everybody. I'm Kike. I'm here in Feeling Woman working, and I'm an advanced teacher. I do teach aerial skills, pole dancing, on heels and without heels, aerial hoop, and flexibility class. Well, definitely, I think that the atmosphere that we create is the best thing. Actually, we are different level, but all of them they're great, amazing. They do all their best to get the tricks and the movement. So I think this is the point. Just having fun.
Listen down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby. Got it all figured out. Wanna